I'm candidate login with employee ID. Things. So if we click means the user can able to see username, what is the username and everything. There is an option to change password and here itself. So here the dashboard is there. There is an option for the candidate for apply for exam, view submitted application, view application for readmission. Then finally is the download admit card. Okay. Now I am going to the for applying exam. Okay. So even in the application can be able to support, for example, 2023 already the examination is continuing. In between 2004 is continuing. That also system can be able to support same examination with multiple years as a separate thing. That much support is there. So now I am taking 2023. Now I am going with, I will take single candidate. I will try to apply for all exams. So now LDC for postman to mail guard. So automatically the notification number will be shown and notification order will be shown. So then as per the directorate orders, after clicking this read checkbox only, authentication only, then all the data will be editable. Okay, because the candidate has to confirm that he has read all the application, that orders and everything given by the directorate, then only he will be allowed to type. Okay, otherwise if you are going and type, nothing can be typed in the screen. So after checking the click box, automatically all will be in the editable mode. So as a thing, mobile number, even name can be changed, but except employee ID, mobile number and email ID, others can be modified. So, but employee ID, mobile number, email cannot be changed by the candidate. Okay. So now I am going with sample data. Already I am having some sample data. With that I am proceeding with testing. So then category also based on the examination. For example, if it is a LDC, it will come SC, ST and UR. If it is a competitive exam, then OBC and the EWS will come into this picture. Okay. So now I am selecting UR, then date of birth. If date of birth is captured during the data entry, then it will come. Then all types of prescribed directorate exception disability has been added. So if disability is there, we can add. Then we have incorporated one more big progress is there. Deputation process has been added in the system, so that mainly people working in directorate or people working APS, they may get this advantage. So if the candidate is working under deputation, we are given three options. One is CEPT, APS and others. Sometimes some people may be working in post office, but they may be deputed in circle office. So at the time they may prefer. If CEPT means already only CEPT will be displayed. APS means as per the APS directorate, 2 CPO is identified, so 2 CPO will come. Others means they can type any pin code and based on that deputation office will come. Okay, so this is the option. So after typing pin code, if you click on fetch, so it will display the office name under this pin code. If they selected wrong of pin code, then they will click reset, so that it will be resetted. Again, they will type the correct pin code. So I will select as this is related to MTS. I will select some SO. So automatically here, who will be the controlling authority? Automatically see who is the reporting office, who will be the controlling authority, who will be the nodal officer, automatically will be shown to the screen. Because in earlier IP exam and all, sometimes if you are selecting as deputation office, they may be not known who is the controlling authority. For example, if I am selecting as CEPT, see what is happening. So automatically controlling authority will be changed to CEPT. Okay. So, but nodal officer will be Tamil Nadu only, because as the lien is maintained in Tamil Nadu circle, the application will be finally go to the nodal office. But for application verification, it will go to the controlling authority. So system is, we made the master database in such a way that any type of deputation, other things can be easily handled, so that there is no issue in any type of deputation. So if I am changed to deputation to no, automatically it will be changed to deputation. Velo division. So then I have to select the present entry cadre in the department. So present cadre, because presently MTS there will be MTS only. But if it is a IP, then it is maybe ASP. If it is a LHG, then it may be HHG1, HHG2. So to capture the present destination post, we are capturing. So if you are entering the feeder cadre is a cadre for which the post for which the candidate is applying. For MTS, MTS to postman, MTS is the feeder cadre. So if he is selecting feeder cadre and we restricted according to the, we will not show all the things. Based on the exemption, we will show only the feeder cadre. If they are entering the feeder cadre date, automatically based on the date of birth and here, automatically it will show the service, how many service is there. But system, even if it is not eligible, system will not block the user to type. It is left to the controlling authority to decide whether they can, because there may be a lot of exception scenario in which even it is not eligible due to junior and other things, it may be eligible. So candidate will be allowed to submit, but controlling authority will be the final decision whether will be candidate will be allowed to write or not. Okay. And another thing is that if the vacancy is in the notification, if the vacancy is marking for multiple years vacancy here, automatically based on the notification, this vacancy here will be added. So, for example, if I in the notification I added 23 and 24, automatically two vacancy here will be shown, and also for 2 years eligible and service eligibility will be shown. Then, as I told, exam preference. So, as it is a decentralized exam, I configured Madurai, Chennai, and Coimbatore. So, it is showing. So, if controlling that nodal officer is not mapping the exam center of a notification, nothing will be shown in the screen. So, after notification, this as a one-time measure, this has to be added. So, I am selecting Chennai center as a thing. Then, for MTS, there is an option to give postman and mail guard. He can prefer any two or any one also. So based on his checkbox selection, automatically drop down will be shown. So he can give his choice. Any choice can be done. It will be automatically captured. So as per the directorate instruction, the preference first, what is selecting, it will be shown. For example, I am selecting mail guard as a first, then mail guard will come first, and postman will be taken as a second. That much compatibility we are given. See here, automatically the mail guard, which checkbox they are selecting first, that will be treated as his first preference. Okay, so the candidate will select his preference. So we have implemented all the rules given by the directorate. So another thing is the claiming qualification, eligibility. This junior senior is there. So as junior or something, automatically no means he is not claiming. Yes means it will be treated as. Based on that, he has to submit required document. Then general remarks, anything candidate can type. He can type any remarks other than above information. He can add to you whether you want to inform anything to the controlling authority, he can inform. Then photo capturing. So photo should be with this size 30 KB and 60 KB, and it should be a passport size. So it has to be captured, and it should be in JPG format. And after capturing, you have to upload. Many people are not forgetting to click on upload. There is, even after upload, there is an option to change the photo or something anytime before submission. And also for signature, again, he has to select the signature and upload. So after entering all mandatory fields, only this preview button will be shown. Otherwise, if any field is not selected, then it will be shown in red color without any information, and the user has to go through and see if anything is red color. He has to correct, give the proper input. Okay, so this is a thing, and after giving preview, automatically everything will be shown to the candidate to confirm about the correctness. So it will show in the same order about the lien, everything we are showing, who is the lien office, who is the controlling authority, if it's a deputation, who is everything will be captured in the screen. And candidate, if he is typing anything, that also will be captured, and order of preference also will be available to the candidate to see. So if you clicking on submit, so automatically you can able to get the SMS immediately. So when based on this thing, he will get a SMS immediately to the candidate, and email also will be triggered to the candidate immediately. So if candidate want to see his details, he can click, and he can take printout at any time with all preference. Even in the candidate things, if a nodal officer, controlling authority or nodal officer is changing his non-qualifying service, or he is updating remarks, everything will be immediately updated in the candidate screen, so the candidate can able to see what is the present status, and everything will be screened by the using the submitted application option. So automatically you can able to get the SMS immediately. So when based on this thing, you will get a SMS immediately to the candidate, and email also will be triggered to the candidate immediately. So if candidate want to see his details, he can click, and he can take printout at any time with all preference. Even in the candidate things, if a nodal officer, controlling authority or nodal officer is changing his non-qualifying service, or he is updating remarks, everything will be immediately updated in the candidate screen, so the candidate can able to see what is the present status, and everything will be screened by the using the submitted application, sir. So I will just to other exams and all, just I will overview. I will tell what are the futures apart from earlier exam. Other things and all, I will proceed competitive exam from GDS to postal assistant and sorting assistant. Anyway, in this exam, for as this is related to competitive exam, we are capturing whether he has passed the higher secondary or not. That we are capturing one additional feature. For this GDS also, we are capturing deputation because presently in CEPT, GDS also working in deputation, so that we added this option. And for exam preference also, it will be available. So then he can opt for postal assistant and sorting assistant, that also available. So except from that, there is no much change in GDS. It is very limited, a simple application process. So I am going to another exam. Then LDS to MTS. This also already we are LDC to Group B. Okay. So in this Group B examination also, I think very simple application. There is no much input. Deputation, only the deputation option is there. And cadre, he will enter LAG. If it is a general line, he will select HIG. And if it's an inspector, he will select ASP and other things. And exam center preference he can give. So here also simple, sir. That is no much. Then coming to the inspector of post examination, I have to give preference to all the circles. Okay, that is the thing. So we made validation even if you are not one giving. So error will be thrown in the screen. So please, until you are not updating all the circle, it will not allow to go to the further things.